a look at this question. Adam Smith, CPA, used statistical sampling to test control procedure. What is the benefit of using statistical sampling? It eliminates the use of judgment required of Adam because AI CPA has established numerical criteria for this type of testing. No way we eliminate a judgment, okay? Okay? We can't eliminate the judgment part, okay? So A is not right. That's not the benefit of statistical sampling. You know, you say, I used statistical sampling, I don't have to use my judgment. Not at all. You have to use your judgment. B, it increases Jones's knowledge of the entity's prescribed procedures and their limitation. That's going too far. Statistical sampling, you're only looking at a sample. I'm not sure, you know, that's going too far with this. It increases Jones's knowledge. That's not really the purpose of statistical sampling. Okay, so B is out. It's required by the generally accepted accounting standard. It's not required. It's not required to use statistical sampling. Therefore, by process of elimination, D is the answer. It provides a means of mathematically measuring the sampling risk that results from examining only a part of the data. So notice, because you are using sampling, you're only looking at a part of the data, that's why B is incorrect. Okay, it doesn't tell you, you know, it can go too far, and that's all what it's doing. It's a mathematical measure of the sampling. That's all what you're doing, is you are putting a number on the sampling risk. You still have to use your judgment. You cannot eliminate this. It's not required by generally accepted accounting standard, and you cannot go as far as B. So D is the correct answer.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.